Makeup babes, what's good? It is your girl Lisa Rose, aka the Makeup Baby, and I am back with another video. And of course, I'm representing TMB Makeup Artistry. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have two very special guests. So this is Big Jules, aka Juju, aka Julian. And this is Bales, aka Bailey Boo, aka Bailey, aka Chunkamunk. Okay, these are my babies. And so while we are homeschooling, while we're on quarantine, I just thought it was important to come on and just do something really quick with you guys, with my family, just so we can kind of talk about our kids and how they're feeling during this time. Last video I got real deep with y'all and I was telling y'all some of my little personal business and how it's very important for me to talk to my children so I can understand how they're thinking about stuff. They can process things in a healthy way. So today we're going to talk about COVID-19 and the quarantine and being home from school and how they feel about this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. Do y'all know why y'all out of school?
Yes.
Okay, tell me why you guys are out of school.
The coronavirus is getting real.
Why? Tell me, baby.
Because of the coronavirus.
Okay.
It's getting real.
How does that make you feel as far as being out of school? We've been out of school now for how long? Like 3 weeks?
Yeah.
3 weeks. So do you like being out of school or no?
No.
I do not like being out of school because I miss my friends and my teacher, but we have to stay apart.
We do have to stay apart. Why do we have to stay apart? Go ahead, you gotta raise your hand.
It's getting real.
Because
Do you know what it's called? Why, like the name of why we stay apart? Do you know what that's called?
Separation?
Okay, so we are separated, but they're calling it social
Distancing.
Yes, they're calling it social distancing. So we have to stay apart so that we do not potentially get infected, or if someone is infected, you know, that
stay away from them.
Right. So what if we don't go back to school in September?
Well, that's gonna be a major problem.
Why is that? Tell them.
Because
why is it a major problem?
if I can't go to the 4th grade and no one's gonna be in my 4th grade class, what's the point of having school? What's the point?
So let me ask you this. So now that everything is going to online learning, how does that make you feel? Tell me about that experience. How was online learning for you?
Well, it's bad. It's bad for me because at school we do one assignment at a time.
Mm-hmm.
But like you're just do all the assignments and do all these assignments in this thing in one day. Do all week 3 in one day. Do all week 1 in one day. School teachers don't give us all the work for
the week up front.
Yeah.
Right, you do it day by day.
Day by day.
So you tell me about your online experience. How do you feel about the schoolwork?
I feel good about the schoolwork because there's lots of things to do on the computer. So
right.
There's lots of learning things. You can just download things that are educational for you.
Yeah, that's true. Now, see, as a teacher, I understand both sides. As a mom, please don't do that, Julian. Seriously. Okay. But like as a teacher and a mom, I understand both sides because I would much rather be with my students, working with them every day on their assignments versus here's all the work and then just do it. So I understand that. Even as a teacher, I understand that that's not fair. But then at the same time, and then I miss seeing your faces. So I know that you probably miss, well, you already said you miss your teachers, right? You miss your friends too?
But it's good that we have Zoom and stuff.
That
we
is
can
good.
still
But
see
then it's
our friends
also
and
not
teachers.
good because
It takes
it's a bunch of people doing it at the same time, and it's so laggy, and I can't really know what they're saying.
So we have pros and cons to everything. So even though we have to be apart because of social distancing, right? We still have to receive an education, right? Parents are doing their best to make sure. It probably would help parents better if they understood how to break the work up day by day, right? That might help you a little bit more, right? But then the other side to the computer is that when you get to see your classmates, when you do the Zooms,
I
it
see
might
my
move a
classmates
little,
every day.
it might move a little slow because
See, it's not fair
It
that we have to
lags.
see them
twice a week.
weekly. 3 times a week instead of seeing them 5 times a week.
Well, think of it like this, okay? Instead of just looking at the negative, I want us to focus on the positive, all right? Because it could be a situation where we didn't have all of this cool technology and we wouldn't even be able to see everybody 3 times a week. So we have this cool technology and we're still able to see our teachers, see our classmates, talk to them. Like Bailey was online talking to her teachers and some of her classmates had lost their teeth. So that was still cool because you could still have that experience with them, right? I think so too. So is there anything else that you want to share?
No.
So how do we keep ourselves clean, yes, and healthy? What do we have to do?
Take showers every day, once a day. Taking them twice is not healthy.
As far as the coronavirus, what are they telling us to do?
Wash your
Yes, come on, Bailey,
hands.
come on.
Wash your hands and make sure that you keep anything out your mouth and don't touch your face.
Don't touch your face, keep stuff out of your mouth, wash your hands. How long should you wash your hands for?
20 seconds.
20 seconds.
20 seconds. Right? And then if you happen to be around somebody, what are you supposed to do if you get sick? What if you get sick? What happens? What should you do?
Well, if it's on your skin, you really need to. Soap is the best way to get it off.
So it was the best way to get it off. But if you get sick, make sure that you stay home. Self-quarantine, stay home, all right? And just work on your immune system. You know, right now we're all playing this by ear. We don't really know what's going on. But to stay connected, I think it's also very healthy for us to make sure that we are staying connected with our loved ones. Phone calls every day, FaceTiming with family, video chatting with family, you know, and still talking to people and just having conversations, laughing, you know, enjoying each other from afar, because we still can do those things even though we can't socially, like physically touch people.
And if you do have the coronavirus and you don't care about people saying stay home, and you don't stay home and you get somebody else sick, it's not doing the world any good. That is harming the world. You need to do what you are told and stop trying to do what you want to do. Because staying home will help this earth more than you think it will.
From the mouth of babes. The children know and they will lead us. Okay? Teach them well and they will lead us. Okay? So on that note, from my family to yours, I just want to say thank you for watching and stay connected. Okay? Stay connected with your loved ones. Stay healthy. And make sure you guys social distance until we can take care of this thing. Come on, tell them what they gotta do. They gotta subscribe. Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Or they gonna know that I'm putting out a new video. What else they gotta do?
You gotta
Like
the video.
And hit the
Hit the notifications bell.
Thank you. Hit the notification bell.
And
Stay clean.
And respect the vets.
oh my God.
All right, and we out.
Bye-bye.